our friends are going to draw a school backpack.
Yeah, a monster backpack. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out.
Yeah, it looks really cool, and I hope our art friends will follow along with us.
Yeah, we're using our pencil and eraser to first draw the main shape of our backpack, and then we use our markers to add all the monster extras and also color our drawings. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first use our pencil to draw the main shapes of our backpack. We're going to draw a big upside down letter U, but I'm also drawing it kind of flat at the top.
Right here?
Yeah, that's a good spot. Then up, and then over, and then down. Yes. Okay, now let's draw the bottom of our backpack. We're gonna draw it coming across with, it's kind of drawing a rectangle shape with round corners. And you can also pause the video and take extra time during this part to get the shape just the way that you want it. Okay, now we're gonna make it look 3D. So we're gonna come out the side, down, and then back in the bottom. This is making our backpack look 3D. So I'm gonna go back over that. I'm gonna draw this a little bit more curved like the outside. And then the side I'm gonna change a little too. And then be sure to switch to your eraser and erase any extra lines you don't wanna keep. Now let's give our backpack a pocket on the front. So let's draw the same kind of rectangle shape, but with round corners. I'm just gonna draw the whole thing all at once. So you could draw the top like we did for the first part and then the bottom, if that's a little easier, or you could just draw the whole thing. And then also, while we're doing this, I'm gonna draw and make it 3D, just like this side. Then we can also draw a little zipper on the top of our pocket. And we can also draw the handle. Let's draw an upside down letter U and a smaller one inside. There's our backpack. We finished it with our pencil. Now let's switch to our marker and we can change it and turn it into a monster backpack. Let's first add our monster face. I'm gonna draw a smile, and we can also draw the smile open. And let's draw some sharp teeth inside. You could change your monster mouth too, if you want. Why are you laughing? And then we'll draw the tongue inside. And then we can color in the back of the mouth. Next, let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a big circle this big. This is for the outside of the eye first. And then we can draw the inside of the eyes. There you go. And then one more. Now let's draw an oval or smaller circle inside. I'm gonna make my monster a little cross-eyed. And then we can color in the pupils solid. We could also make our monster a little angry. I'm gonna draw the eyebrows. Next, let's trace over some of our guidelines. Let's start with that first line that we drew. I'm gonna start here though on the side, and we'll trace over the pencil line, across the top and down this side. Then we can make a little pocket on the left. Usually there's a pocket over here for the water, for a water bottle. So I looped around, kind of turned it into a letter U, and I went outside of the pencil line. That's okay, you went on the pencil line, and then we'll connect over. And then let's keep going right here and trace over the pencil line and into the top. Now let's trace over our pocket on the front of our backpack. And this part will speed up just because we're tracing over lines we've already drawn. But you can pause the video and take extra time to draw these lines. I also added an extra line and the little zipper pull on the side. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now let's draw the handle. We can trace over the pencil line. And our friends, you guys can pause the video to also just add more things like zipper pulls and other details. So you can change your drawing any way you want. That looks awesome. Okay, and I also like that you changed it from your pencil lines.
Thanks.
Okay, now let's add more monster stuff. I'm gonna draw the little curve coming down on this side, and also I'm gonna draw this curving down on this side. Now we can draw the little tentacles coming out of the bottom. This would be a really gross backpack. So I'm gonna draw an S curve coming down. And then I'm gonna start at the end and draw the S curve right next to it, just like the first line, but I'm getting further away as you get closer to the backpack. Then let's draw one over here that kind of matches. So I'm gonna curve out of this side of the backpack and then curve around, and then we'll start at the end and get further away and make a big tentacle. Yeah. Ooh, it's starting to look gross now.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's add two more tentacles in between. I'm gonna draw this curving around, and you don't have to draw them exactly like me. You could change yours. I'm gonna draw these coming into the backpack further or past the pencil line. And then I'm gonna draw another one right here, curving this way. Ew, gross. Yes. Next, switch to your eraser and let's erase this pencil line here on the side. And then we're gonna erase in between or inside of the tentacles, but not in between. We'll leave the pencil there. This way we won't get as confused if we erase some of these pencil lines. Then we can use our marker and trace in between to finish the bottom of the backpack. Now let's add wings. We're gonna start here and we'll draw the top of the wing curving out. I'm gonna start over here too and draw that same curve so I can match the two wings together. Then we can curve around and back down. We're gonna draw bat wings or dragon wings.
Dragon.
Yeah, dragon wings. Next, at the end of the wing right here, we're gonna do the same thing we did with the tentacle, and we can draw that same curve, but we're gonna get further away and then connect back into the backpack, and then repeat the same thing over here on this side. Then to draw the inside of the wings, we're gonna draw a curve coming down from, I don't know, the elbow? Is that elbow?
I have no clue.
The wing elbow. And then I'm gonna draw another one too, right next to it. Now let's connect with little bumps in between each of those and then into the backpack. We did it! We finished drawing our backpack monster, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up, but remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings too. Oh, and one other thing, we need to use our eraser one more time and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. Hadley, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our little backpack monster, and it turned out awesome.
Yeah.
And I love that we added little extra tentacles too on the side. Or our friends could add even more things.
Yeah, like more wings.
Yeah, you could add 4 wings. Yeah, that would be really cool. I also added a shadow down here at the bottom to make my backpack look like it's floating and more 3D. But you could leave that off or even add a background.
Oh yeah, you could draw your school in the background.
Yeah, this is your friend that you take to school.
Yeah.
It eats your homework, so you don't have to do it.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a backpack monster.
I'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.